Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we will try to harvest the marang. And we are here. I am here outside in the allowance of the backyard of the house. And how many times that we clean, how many times we trim the tree, but still we need to trim monthly. It is wow, full of a tree, whatever you do. So this is the marang that I talk about it, and there is many fruit that we will try to remove it. And of course it's not me, it is my wife with her sister. So when they prepared the, I think they have a big wood or no? Voila?
He said you know how to make.
He know how to make.
Yeah, just give him one hilaw.
Okay, we will see. So this is the brother, and we will see how he
Wa ang mga
will.
buwang no. Kaninang buwang ang Bantay buwan na, kasi mahulog nung. Ayan tayo. Kato ba ang nakuha na sa ulo? Wala na ba yung kakauno?
He will climb up.
Okay na eh.
And
Ayaw ikuha na, ayaw itsab. Bantay mo itsab. Buwan kanina, bantay yun.
so there is how many marang? Hinay.
Kuha ang mga guwang. Kuha ang mga guwang daan. Dapat nung i-harvest ng ginatong kung anong ayaw itsa, bantay jud. Ayaw jud itsa.
Yes, here mo.
Bantay jud ka. Ayaw jud itsa.
What?
I tell don't throw.
Le,
I will be angry. Isuko ko.
what the difference?
Ay, hinog na kay Ninong. Hinog na kaayo. Uy.
It's ripe.
Yeah. Kuha tanan nung ang mga guwang nung.
Yeah, at least we will take the seeds also. And
Kuha ang mga tanan.
I don't know how he will take this too. There is one here and there is one there.
Guwang nung.
Yes, it is there.
Kani.
Oh, still.
Kuha ni mo dugit.
This one?
Ganda ka dugit. Kaasa ko dani nung uy.
Very long stick bamboo.
Hinay ha? Hinay. Ano? Paghinay. Paghinay. Kaninong murag guwang na gid ninong paapon ninong. Hala na natin makakuha ka lang ng kuan. Manong kayo?
What he will do?
Wala kay trabaho nung.
So he put the knife and we will see.
Hinay. Paghinay. Daw be.
Oh my God! He cut it and then directly jumped to take it. Incredible! Oh my God! I cannot believe it!
Si Manong, uy. Kuya ako, Manong, uy. Kuha ka ng mga, kuha ng buwang no. Dere no, napay buwang dere no. Diba? Buwang na ni no?
Alay.
Ha? Dili pa?
Wow. Cat. دي فلوس؟ Yeah. Wow, so guys,
Manong, wala na ikuha no? Buwang ka ni no?
so guys, this is a shortcut how to remove the marang. Ready the cut and direct. Huh?
Master.
Yes, he is already master. Cut and direct jump to take the واو ما عنده جوا المحفظة. Wait Manon. So كيفك? So guys, thank you for watching. Hope that you like this video, short video, and please like, subscribe, and have a nice day, and bye.